In this video, we're going to be covering how we built this hydroponic propagation rack that'll sit on top of a fish tank. The lights on it are height adjustable, as well as the reusable adjustable clamps that hold the plants in place. Alright, so to start assembling, we're going to put these T-nuts in the backside of this guy. Sure it still fits in our track. It does. Alrighty then. So we got everything built, but my lights for the top bar still haven't came in yet, and I don't want to let that slow me down. So I'm wondering, do I really need to have 4 LED bars on my ceiling? I think 3 would probably be fine. Let's try it. Probably should turn the power off before doing this. It's just low voltage though. So of course the ceiling light has a different power and then the one I need to use, so we're just gonna swap that over. Take off the old one. That's garbage. Let's test it out. All right, well, that's about it for the assembly. Might add a couple of zip ties just to keep this wire wired. But I think we're ready to go install it.